I work with operational data every day, and I keep seeing the same problem. The numbers are there, but the decision still is not obvious. Managers still need to work out what changed, what matters most, and what should happen next. That is why I built OpsBrief. OpsBrief turns an operational CSV file into a traceable executive brief with calculated evidence, prioritized risks, and a clear first response. For this demo, I am using a fully synthetic service desk dataset. OpsBrief validates the file, profiles the data, calculates operational metrics and monthly trends, and records observation counts, evidence IDs, and limitations before any AI interpretation takes place. The result opens with the management decision, not a long report. The executive overview highlights the main risk, the first recommended action, and the most important KPI developments. In the SLA view, attainment falls from 50% to 27.3%, a decline of 22.7 percentage points. These values and the underlying observation counts are calculated in code, not generated by the model. The reopened workview shows a concentrated billing pattern. OpsBrief does not claim that this proves causation. Instead, it explains how repeated handling may consume specialist capacity and contribute to slower resolution and weaker service levels. The complete analysis remains available in full brief. Every generated finding must reference calculated evidence that actually exists. Risks and actions must reference valid findings, and action dependencies must point to valid earlier steps. The complete result can also be downloaded as Markdown. GPT 5.6 is the live interpretation layer inside OpsBrief. It receives structured aggregates, evidence, and limitations rather than raw ticket rows. It interprets operational significance, connects related findings cautiously, identifies risks, and sequences recommended actions. XOD and cross-reference checks validate the result. One controlled repair attempt is available, and confidence is calculated afterward in code. I used Codex as an iterative development collaborator. It accelerated the Next.js and TypeScript implementation, deterministic analytics, provider-neutral architecture, OpenAI integration, schemas, validation, tests, documentation, dashboard work, and repeated quality checks. I made the central product decisions: calculate evidence before AI, keep the provider replaceable, avoid causal claims, require traceability, and put the main risk and first action at the top of the experience. OpsBrief adds operational reasoning without taking ownership of the facts.